Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Haitian eggs with some hot dogs. So for this you are going to be needing half an onion chopped up and half a Roma tomato and half a bell pepper, and I have about 4 beef hot dogs in here. You are going to be needing the juice of 1 lime, and I have about a teaspoon of tomato paste and a tablespoon of my Haitian spice, which I do have a video up on the channel showing you guys how I make it. You're going to be needing some hot sauce if you like your food spicy, and I'm going to be using a little bit of olive oil to fry my eggs, and I have 12 eggs in here. You guys know I like to remove that little white part, so remember to remove that. And you are going to be needing some salt and pepper to taste. If you like Maggi cube or chicken bouillon, you can use a little bit of that. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, first we are going to start by adding some pepper, black pepper, and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Again, if you are using the Maggi cube, you can put it in right now. And I'm going to add the Epis. Okay, and we are going to beat everything together. Okay, and now I'm going to add the lime juice. I made this video for my Creole channel, and a lot of you guys wanted me to do it in this channel as well. So here it is. Hope you guys love it. And I'm going to add some Tabasco sauce. Again, if you don't like heat, you definitely don't have to use this. And I'm going to beat it again. If you haven't, please go follow us on Instagram and on Facebook, Twitter, and also come snap with us on Snapchat. All the link will be down in the description box for you guys to check out. Okay, so now I'm going to put this to the side so we can start frying our vegetables and hot dog. We are going to start by adding a couple tablespoons of olive oil, about 2.5 of olive oil to our pan, and my stove is set to medium high. So I'm going to start by adding the hot dogs. I have clean hands, so I'm going to put the hot dogs in here. I'm using quite a bit of hot dogs because that's my kids' favorite part. And this egg. So I'm going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can start adding the other vegetables. Okay, now you want to go ahead and add your onions. As you can tell, my hot dogs are not burnt. Okay. Add your onions, your tomatoes, and your peppers. And we are going to allow this to saute for a good 4 to 5 minutes, okay? Now you want to go ahead and add your tomato paste to it so it can give it some time to cook. And cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes. We just want to make sure that our tomato paste have a chance to cook with everything else. Okay, now you want to go ahead and put in your eggs. Okay, and do not mix it. And I have turned my heat down to a medium heat. I like to let it cook until the bottom is done, and just take your cooking ware and just kind of push to the side as it's cooking. Okay, like I said, do not mix it. I like to keep my whole until it is done cooking on the bottom. Okay, now it's time for us to flip it over. As you can see, it's not broken yet. So now you can break it to whatever size that you want and flip it over. My kids just love this, especially with the hot dog. We have this for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. We had it the other day. However it comes, they love it. Okay. Again, you can cut it to whatever pieces you want. And we might have to flip it over again because I can see this side have some wet parts to it. So let it cook for another few minutes, then flip it again like I said. Alright guys, as you can see, my eggs is all done. You can eat this with some boiled plantain or just some sandwich bread. And I'm going to taste it with you guys. The amount of salt is perfect. Remember, the hot dogs are a little salty, so just be easy with the salt. And other than that, this will do it for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.